What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a fantastic set of bar stools for your kitchen counter or island, these ones here are the Angel Line Cambridge bar stools. Now they come in two different heights. You can get them in a 29-inch version or you can get them in a 24-inch height. I picked these ones because obviously they matched exactly with my cabinetry in my kitchen. However, they have tons of color choices. You can get white legs with a burgundy seat. You can get gray legs with a gray seat. You can get white legs with a gray seat, and you can get these same espresso colored legs with a black seat. Now, something else that I thought is awesome, these completely tied in the metal studding I had on the furniture in my great room, and this metal studding is a detail that goes all the way around. Now the seats have a really cool contrast stitching detail, and I've had these for a little while, and they wipe up like a dream. So if you get anything sticky on them, a little bit of a damp cloth, and they clean up really nice. Dimension wise, they are 29 inches tall. They are 18 inches across and they are 13 inches wide here. And as far as sitting on them, they are one of the most comfortable bar stools I've ever put my derriere on. I love this little footrest right here because we do have a higher counter. It puts me at a great height to converse or to eat, but I also like that my feet are supported and I'm not dangling when I'm sitting on the stool. And one more thing, these come as a set of two in a big box and they assemble like a dream. All that you need to assemble these is the Allen key that they ship in with all of the bolts and washers and a Phillips screwdriver. And each stool took me 10 minutes to put together, and they are sturdy, they are stylish, and they exactly match the aesthetic that I was trying to set up in my kitchen at my counter bar here. If you are looking for a really nice set of stools for your kitchen or your island, I highly suggest the Angel Line Cambridge saddle seats.